Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make double chocolate brownies. So let's get started. I've got here half cup of cocoa which I have sifted, 3/4 cups of plain flour which I have sifted as well, half a cup of canola oil, half a cup of icing sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of water or you can use milk if you like, 2 large eggs, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, 1 1/4 cup of raw sugar or you can use brown sugar, some cooking spray, a spatula and one 9-inch by 9-inch square baking tray which I have sprayed with some cooking spray, lined it with some baking paper and sprayed again with some cooking spray. Preheat your oven at 175 degrees if it is a fan-forced oven and 190 degrees if it is a conventional oven. To mix the dry ingredients, take your sugar, add cocoa, flour, icing sugar, salt, and chocolate chips. Give it a mix using a spatula and put it aside. Take another dish, add eggs, oil, water, and vanilla. Beat it well using a fork. Now take your dry ingredients, make a well in the center, add the egg mixture, and gently fold it in to combine using a spatula. Pour your brownie batter into a prepared tin, smooth the top evenly and bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center has a few moist crumbs. Take it out of the oven and let it cool down for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cut it into squares and it is ready to serve. My double chocolate brownies are ready and you can keep them in a sealed container and serve them warm or cold on its own or with some whipped cream, vanilla ice cream or some icing sugar dusted on the top. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.